Winston Churchill, the Lion of Britain. Winston Churchill, a towering figure in 20th century history, is widely regarded as one of the greatest statesmen and orators of all time. His leadership during World War II, along with his eloquent speeches and unwavering resolve, made him an iconic figure in the fight against tyranny. Winston Churchill's life and career are a testament to his indomitable spirit and dedication to defending democracy and freedom. Churchill was born on November 30, 1874, at Blenheim Palace, a grand estate in Oxfordshire, England. He hailed from an illustrious family. His father, Lord Randolph Churchill, was a prominent politician, and his mother, Jennie Jerome, was an American heiress. Young Winston's early education was largely shaped by his nanny, Elizabeth Ann Everest, who introduced him to the world of books and history, fostering his lifelong love of learning. Churchill's early adult life was marked by adventure and ambition. He served as an officer in the British Army, where he saw action in various conflicts, including the Sudan, India, and South Africa. During the Boer War, he was captured and held as a prisoner of war but managed a daring escape. His political career began in earnest when he was elected as a Member of Parliament in 1900. Over the years, he held various government positions, including First Lord of the Admiralty, before being appointed as First Lord during World War I. His advocacy for the use of tanks and his involvement in planning the Gallipoli campaign marked his early contributions to military strategy. However, it was during World War II that Winston Churchill's leadership shone brightest. In 1940, as Prime Minister, he faced the dire threat of Nazi Germany. His determination and defiance in the face of overwhelming odds rallied the British people and inspired the world. Churchill's powerful and inspirational speeches, including the famous "We Shall Fight on the Beaches" address, became synonymous with the spirit of resistance. One of Churchill's most enduring legacies is his resolute leadership during the Blitz, the sustained bombing of Britain by Nazi Germany. His calm and indomitable spirit in the face of constant danger and adversity provided a source of strength for the British people. It was during this time that he coined the phrase, "Never, never, never give up." Churchill's wartime partnership with American President Franklin D. Roosevelt and Soviet Premier Joseph Stalin strengthened the Allied cause and contributed to the defeat of the Axis powers. The Big Three met during critical wartime conferences, including the Yalta and Tehran conferences, to plan the post-war world. In 1945, after the defeat of Nazi Germany, Churchill's Conservative Party was defeated in the general election, leading to his resignation as Prime Minister. He returned to power in 1951 and served a second term as Prime Minister until 1955. During this time, he was instrumental in addressing the challenges of the emerging Cold War. Throughout his life, Churchill was a prolific writer. His historical and political works, including The Second World War, A History of the English-Speaking Peoples, and numerous articles and speeches, earned him the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1953. Winston Churchill died on January 24, 1965, at the age of 90. His state funeral was attended by leaders from around the world, a testament to his enduring influence and legacy. He is buried in Blaydon, near Blenheim Palace. Churchill's impact on history, his dedication to democracy, and his commitment to standing up against tyranny continue to inspire leaders and citizens alike. His remarkable ability to inspire and lead, especially during times of crisis, has cemented his place as one of the most celebrated and revered figures in the annals of history. The name Winston Churchill will forever be associated with the indomitable spirit of freedom and democracy. The end. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Teddy's Best Story Time. See you next time.